Hey guys, today we're unboxing this Ideapad. This is the Ideapad Gaming from Lenovo, and let's quickly have a look at the side of the box before I cut it open. And there's the specs of the machine. So this is the Ryzen 5 5600H. This is a 3.3 GHz machine or CPU with 512 gig SSD and 16 gig RAM. This has also got the RTX 3050 Ti in. So this machine has got a built-in dedicated graphics card, which is very nice. 15-inch display and a 3-cell battery. This is Windows 11 Home single language. So yeah, a bit more gaming focused laptop. Let's see what Lenovo gives us in this package. Okay, when you open up the box, you get this little package here. This is to install a normal 2.5-inch SSD or HDD, and this will be the cabling and the brackets and everything to install that into the laptop itself. Let's put that there. Also you get a mouse. We'll have a look at the mouse a bit later. A few pamphlets. I think it's necessary just to say that this machine needs to be registered with Lenovo to get your full warranty. And there's your plug that plugs into the power brick. This brick is 170 watts. So you've got a 170 watt brick here with the Lenovo power plug. They've got this square plug. It's got a bit of cable management here, which is nice. Very, very nice Velcro or hook and ring or hook and claw, whatever you want to call this, to keep your cables neat and tidy. Packaging is very, very sturdy, very good. This is good quality foam. Okay. So I think that's it for what you get in the box. Nothing else. Just take that out of the way. So let's quickly have a look at the mouse. Now with the Lenovo Legion you also get a mouse with, and it's got the Legion logo on there. This one, this is actually a nice, much nicer mouse. I believe this will be illuminated when you plug it in, and it's got your DPI adjustment here, and you've got extra buttons on the side. Yeah, it's for a free mouse, this is actually a very nice mouse. Let's get the laptop out of the bag. All right, so it's got like a matte finish top side, and I'm creating finger marks everywhere. So there you've got the nice Lenovo branding. So I believe on this one it'll be the same when you open up the machine. The Lenovo logo will be on the inside also, yeah. So they like to do this now. On the side of the machine you've got two USB, looks like 3 ports, and a headphone or audio jack. This is, it's for a headset. And this is the back of the machine. There you get your little Ideapad Gaming engraving there. On the other side, let me just take this away. On the other side of the laptop you still have a place where you can plug in a RJ45 for network. There's your power plug, HDMI, and a Type-C USB. On the bottom of the machine you've got some cooling going on, the vents. I believe it will draw in air on this side and then blow it out on the side, and on this side also. So we'll put a picture on maybe and just show you how the machine looks on the inside, and then you'll know why these cooling vents and side vents are there. So I already took out the little protection on the inside of the machine. So if we open this up, you can open it up without holding down the machine. The machine's weight is enough to keep the body down while you open it up. So I believe you'll be able to open it up actually with one hand. Let's just see. Yeah, that wasn't too difficult to open it up. Okay, so the screen is a matte screen, and it's 120 Hertz. And then if we go down and have a look at the keyboard layout, it's got a full-size keyboard, numlock on the side. This is also backlit, and yeah, this is a AMD machine. So it says AMD Radeon graphics, but it's actually got a RTX. So the Radeon graphics will be the onboard graphics, and the RTX will be the dedicated graphics card that's also in there. Yeah, the full stop, if you have a look at the numpad, the full stop is just next to enter, and there's the power button. So yeah, this is the complete look and design of the Lenovo Gaming 3. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how the laptop looks and what you get in the box. If we switch it on maybe later, I'll put a little insert. Here we've got it on the workbench quickly, and I'm just going to switch it on. So there you go, you can see the backlit keyboard, very nice. So it is a white backlit keyboard. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so you can adjust the brightness of the backlit keyboard also. And there is the display, and the display quality is really good. It's a very comfortable display to check out, and as I said, it's 120 Hertz, so this will be very nice for gaming. Okay, now we can quickly have a listen to the sound of the laptop, and yeah, I'm just going to play this quickly, and I'll bring the mic a bit closer to the laptop. Alright, so that was the volume of the speakers on this. I think it's sufficient. So yeah, thanks for watching.